And we're back with day 11 of 25 days of Secret Sip. The results of day 10, the single barrel, the one that tasted like pickles, was an Old Kirk single barrel. It was 7 years, 5 months old with a proof point of 120.2. And the premium surprised me because it was rather enjoyable. Tastes low proof, granted it wasn't. It was 110 proof. It was a backbone bourbon called The Forge because it's a blend of 3 different mash bills. So you had a 75-21-4, a 95-5, and a 99-1. It was pretty good. A buddy did point out to the fact that I keep saying some of these drink low proof. None of them have been under 100 proof so far, which is true, but that doesn't mean it doesn't drink low proof. It just means it doesn't drink as hot as it was. Just quickly looking at these samples, the single barrel option is a little darker than the premium option, but the single barrel option kind of threw me off because it was in an amber Boston round mini glass, but it looks dark. All right, let's go. Right off the bat, just getting a lot of vanilla, a little bit of grapiness, a little hint of like banana nuttiness. All right, let's go in for a taste. Cheers. On the palate, some cinnamon, some oat, some caramel, of course, some vanilla bean. It's rather enjoyable. I'm not going to say this one drinks low proof because this one you can definitely feel some of that Kentucky hug. I don't know. I would say probably 117 or higher, especially it being a single barrel. The likelihood of it being higher is pretty good. Back on that nose now, I do get that oat coming through, and going back through on that second taste, I get a little hint of coffee. Pretty solid. I like that a lot. Way better than yesterday. All right, let's jump into the premium option for tonight. All right, so there's a little bit of funkiness there on the nose. There's also that ethanol nail polish, like a subdued floral sweetness and pine. A buddy was telling me the other day that nail polish note I sometimes pick up can be related to like a weeded funk, and that, I mean, I'm not saying it's weeded, it possibly could be, but I'm getting that here again. Also some like raisin bread on there too. All right, going for a taste. All I get is like overripe banana. Very subtle, very like, it's like overly proofy tasting. It wasn't bad, but in this situation, if I had to pick, I'm gonna go with the single barrel option. Flavor wise, check back in tomorrow for day 12.